Hi Bellas and Bellows, welcome back. We're back on Shey Bella's Beauty Clinic. Today we're going to talk about exfoliating these dry lips. Is it important? Is it crucial? I would say yes. As a makeup artist, when you want to have a nice lip, if the lip area is dry, you will see lines, you will see dead skin, and it's just unnecessary. If you want your lipstick to have longevity, if you want your color to come on creamy and smooth, exfoliate those lips. Today I have a great product that will alleviate all that dead skin, contour the lips, hydrate the lips. Yes, we are talking about the By Terry. Let's see, Bella, so you can see. Yes. Y'all see that? This is the By Terry Lip Scrub Balm Rose. So I've talked about the lip, their famous cult following, their lip balm. Well, now they have a lip scrub, and it's a sugary, comfortable, sugary micro scrub, and I'm going to show you the texture of it on my hands, Bellas, okay? But it's infused with all types of yumminess. So let's just show you how it looks. And as I'm exfoliating, I'm going to tell you. So this is going to help leave the lips plump, contoured, hydrated. It's microcrystals, and it is going to provide an ultra fine exfoliation. So super fine sugary exfoliator that is going to shine and exfoliate. That's my bottom lip, and there's enough for my top. It smells so good. Why does it smell so good? Well, there's some extracts of black rose, pastel rose, butter, rose butter. Oh, it's like a spa for the lips. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna rub that in. Actually, you won't even need to wipe off if you don't. If you just really rub in, it just goes into the lips and evaporates. And I have a pout, but this pout, let me tell you, Alice, this pout can get dry. And when I wear lipstick, I don't want to see the lines in my lipstick, the cracks. Oh, nice. Nice and healthy. So exfoliate those lips. I'm gonna put on a more creamier lip so you can see how smooth. This is a Surratt color, and it's called Celestine, and it's one of my favorite colors in Surratt. It's like a pinky mauve, so it's kind of like my lip color. That's why I like it. And it's creamy. It's a creamy matte finish. So if your lips are all chapped and shey, it will not look nice and smooth. Look how nice that is, Bellas, 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 Bellas. Nice and nude. Then we're gonna finish it out with Ooh La La by Surratt as well. You know, Surratt does my lippies. And it is a lip luster in a nice glitter, pinky, sparkly. Just gonna add some luster and shine to those lips. It's very subtle. It's not a tacky glitter. It just gives a nice gloss. So this is my nude lip, exfoliated, ready to kiss. Ready to feel hydrated. Hello. Summertime's coming. You don't want no dry lips. Thanks for stopping in to Shey Bella's Lip Clinic. I hope you enjoyed it. Try the By Terry Balm de Rose Lip Scrub. It's a great gift, and it will keep you kissable. Bye, Bellas.